how to fix desktop icons not showing in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here, of course, on our desktop, and then let's open the Windows Explorer. So once you open your Windows Explorer, the next thing that we need to do is to click this PC and then open the drive right here. And then once you're now here, just click the users and then just choose your account right there and then look for app data. So if you can't see the app data right there, all you have to do is to go on the view and then click show and then click hidden items. So make sure that it has a check mark on it on the left side. So once it is checked, you should now be able to see the app data and then just open that file and then click local. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see the icon cache. So you should see it right here in the bottom. So currently I don't have it. I don't know why. If you have it right there, all you have to do is to right click on it and then delete that file. And then once you delete it, go on the search bar and then search for Task Manager and then just look for the Windows Explorer. And then what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click restart. Once you click restart, that should fix your problem right there. And then if it's still not working, if your icons is still not showing on your desktop, the next thing that we can do is to right click on your desktop and then click the view and then click show desktop icons. So if it is turned off, all you have to do is to turn that on and that should fix your problem. As you can see, I can now see my icons again. So that is basically it. That is how to fix desktop icon not showing in Windows 11.